Have you ever wondered why money seems to disappear so quickly? The answer often comes down to one simple thing: understanding the difference between needs and wants. A need is something essential for survival and basic well-being. Things like food, rent or mortgage, electricity, clothing, and healthcare. Without these, wealth becomes unstable or even unsafe. A want, on the other hand, is something that improves comfort, enjoyment, or status, but it's not necessary for survival. For example, the latest iPhone, designer shoes, or dining at a 5-star restaurant. They're nice to have, but you can live without them. The tricky part? Many of our wants feel like needs. Do you really need that daily $7 coffee, or is it just a habit? Do you need a car that costs $80,000, or could a reliable $15,000 car do the job just as well? Here's a simple rule: if you can live without it, it's a want. If you can't live without it, it's a need. Why does this matter? Because when you prioritize your needs first, you protect your essentials. Once they're covered, you can spend guilt-free on your wants, without wrecking your budget. So next time you pull out your wallet, ask yourself, is this a need or just a want? That one question could save you thousands over time.